guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are doing a what did you buy Wednesday, and as you can see here, that's a dog hair. It's a big old dog hair. I've been seeing people pick this kit up. It's a repop. I'm a Mustang fan, and I've been wanting to build this kit. Now I have one. Hobby Lobby 40% off. That's always the best time to get these kits from Hobby Lobby. Any kits, actually. And then this kit, everybody has seen this one. We know it's the Pro Street Chevelle. Let's see here. Lights in the paint booth aren't the greatest for showing this kind of stuff, but anyway, I built this one already once. I have another plan for this kit, and we'll talk about that later down the road when it happens. But yeah, it's a good kit. It goes together really well. It's actually a nice building. Nicely building kit. A lot of guys use it for parts to make Pro Street other things. But yeah, it's a good kit. This guy, I like this tin. This is one I'll be keeping this tin. This is awesome. The coloring on it is amazing. And it's just a great looking. I mean, it's worth the price just for the box. The box is really cool. So that one will be built maybe this year. I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, just a real quick. What did you buy Wednesday? I'm working towards doing more videos during the week. I don't know how or what I will be doing them on. Well, builds obviously, but yeah, I'm gonna try and do that more often. Anyway, like I said, just a quick video. I want to show you what I bought Wednesday. I'm stoked on this kit here. This is just an absolute awesome kit. There's no way I could afford or find and afford an original. So I'm really happy that they repopped it. So anyway, hope everybody has a great day, great week. Take care of yourselves, take care of your families. Be kind. Thank you for following me and subscribing. And I will be back, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video. Take care. Bye.